Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to make a private story on Snapchat. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Snapchat application. Open your Snapchat. Now, to make a private story on Snapchat, what you want to do here is to simply click your profile at the bottom left corner. Now, once you tap this one, what you want to do next is to simply click New Private Story under My Stories. So once you tap this one, then you can now select the specific friend. So as you can see here, choose who can view your private story. Only you will be able to add to the story and invite friends. So let's just say I want Jenny Lopez to view my private story. Just Jenny Lopez only. So tap Jenny Lopez here. But actually, you can select or add another one. But for this time, I just want Jenny Lopez to view my private story. Okay, so rename story. Everything is up to you. And then click save. Now, as you can see here, if you go to my stories, you have two options here. Add to my story and add to Shadows story, which is a private story that only Jenny can view. Okay, and that's how easy it is to make a private story on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.